There we go, fish on. Alright, we're chucking on a bit of Sweeney Pov. I've just went out for a morning fish. Unfortunately, I didn't record, but I pretty much took the tacker cat out to over there at the rocks and just went for a squid jig and then a little trawl. And now I'm going to chuck you on my head and show you the fish and a bit of a cleaning process. Here we got a pretty nice, decent sized squid. And there you are, you're just left with a really nice serving of calamari there. Alright, today's recipe is pretty easy. We're going to be making some ceviche. So we've got our fresh fish fillets, all cleaned, boneless and skinless. Nice bit of Taylor. Alright, now we're making some ceviche. I'm just going to cube it real quick. Actually, I might backstep. This bloodline's kind of sussing me out. I think she might be better off as not ceviche and just fried fish.
This morning, Swain's gone out, got us a bunch of fish, bunch of calamari. I figured we'd do some fish and chips. Just frying up some chips now, and yeah, we'll get these through, just doing them with panko. Let's start with some calamari. Alright, so done a bunch of the calamari. I'm gonna just put that fish through now. Those chippies are almost done. And then yeah, we'll cook up the fish and calamari. It should be good.
Alright, here's our feed. We got fish, we got a little bit of calamari, bunch of chips. Ollie, what do we reckon?
Looks good. Looks like a bit too much though, maybe.
I reckon we got it. I reckon we got it easy. When I woke up the next morning, I decided I want to go for a little fish when the boys were still sleeping. So I took out the tacker cat, otherwise known as the Batmobile, and I thought I'd flick a few jigs, chuck a bit of bait, see what was lying down on the reef. Yeah, so here's some clips of me doing that. Taylor. Oh. What the frick? One note is you look spiky and you look like you would hurt really bad. There we go, fish on. Wrasse. Gnarly teeth. I'm using pliers now because yesterday I got absolutely chowed on by a tailor and that was so painful. You should get up, aren't you? Not fun. We popped in for a little dive off this rock structure that was over there that I thought was really cool while we were fishing it. We'd already had a bunch of fish that you saw us catch earlier, so we were being pretty selective, didn't want to shoot too much. Here I see this little brim just swimming around. It's a nice size, so I decided to line up a shot, but it was a fast shot. I was happy to just hit a body shot, hit it stable, brought it up, grabbed it, and grained it. Then I passed in the gun and we just swam around and looked at the fish for a while.
Hello YouTube. Today we're just gonna, it's sort of the afternoon now, but we're gonna motor up to Marula. Apparently there are some parks moorings there we can hang out at that are protected from the northerly, and so that'll take 10 nautical miles off our next jump, so that'll be nice. And there's potentially a surf break, so that'll be really cool. To finally go for a surf. We haven't used our surfboards yet, so the locals say there's a surf break there, so we might, maybe, I don't have much faith, but maybe go for a surf. So yeah, we're gonna motor over there. It's like 10 nautical miles, take not very long, so let's go, let's get it. It is taking a lot longer than we thought it would take to get there, so we're gonna get there at night time probably, which is fine I guess. But I'll check it in the morning to show you Marula. I won't do anything else today because it'll be dark and that'll be lame. So
here we are. We are now in Malakuta. It's a beautiful looking spot, so nice. And we just happen to be right next to a little surf break down there. So I'm sure you can be pretty keen to see us get into the surf. Should be good, should be a lot of fun. 3-meter shark just swum underneath the fucking boat, and there's a swimmer out there swimming and a bunch of divers. You are a big boy, aren't you?
But yeah, we're getting the boards out, waddies are on. Go for a surf, you guys are gonna be in my mouth.
Got it. Oh, that one looked alright. God, it's like chest high. Whoa. Alrighty. Let's do it.
We're now back from the surf. It's actually pretty fun out there. Real small though, like we needed a bit bigger waves with our short boards, but it was pretty fun. But yeah, I think that'll wrap up this video of Eden and up here in Marimbula. Unless we surf tomorrow, but I don't think we will, probably not. Oh, maybe, but I'm pretty sure that'll wrap up this video, fishing and whatever. I guess this will be episode 4 maybe, or just a bonus episode, we'll see. But yeah, that'll wrap up this video. Thanks you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.